Why do YouTubers spend 8 to 10 hours a day making one video? I'll be real, bro. You're wasting your time. You're literally wasting your time. There are YouTubers with millions of subscribers getting consistent viral growth who only spend 2, 3, 4 hours a week on videos. You're a YouTuber. You might be small, you might be medium, you might be large. You're spending 8 to 10 hours on one video, bro. Why do you think that's why you're not growing? Why do you think you don't have time to focus on the actual important parts of your YouTube business? Why do you think you don't have time outside of YouTube? Why do you think you're still working a 9 to 5 along with your YouTube channel? You're not managing your time correctly. You're spending 8 hours on a video, bro. You need to learn how to batch task, outsource the non-lever moving task, and focus wholly on the lever moving task of your YouTube business. I see a lot of YouTubers, and I feel like the problem that they have is they focus on just tasks that don't actually grow their YouTube channel. I understand, like, as a YouTuber, like, sometimes you want to do your own editing. Sometimes you want to create your own thumbnails. Sometimes you want to spend extra time on the scripting, ideation, and all that stuff. But you have to really ask yourself, like, really think about it. The time you're spending doing that video, doing those tasks, doing those tasks for that video, is every single task that you're doing, is that actually going to get you an improvement on your channel, as in more views, more subscribers, and just consistent audience growth? Like, you have to really ask yourself that. Most of the time, no. Editing is not the main lever to what makes a video go viral, to what makes a video be pushed out into the algorithm, and to what makes a video get views. Editing is important, of course, but what is editing if the idea is shit? What is editing if you haven't taken the time to brainstorm and fully figure out whether your idea is good? What is editing if you haven't taken the time to actually have a consistent script writing and content creation strategy that you've basically systemized? You're focusing on tasks like editing and thumbnail creation when the actual main levers of what makes videos go well or do well and go viral, it's ideas, it's packaging, and it's scripting. And of course you have to record. So what did I just say? Scripting, ideating. Sorry, I lost my train of thought. Scripting, ideating, recording, and the packaging. If you're not focusing on those 4 things, I'm not gonna lie, you're lost. And this is the thing, you might actually be focusing on those 4 things. You just don't have a strategy that enables you to do it efficiently, and it's not optimized to where you can do it efficiently and effectively. That's a problem. I don't want you guys to be spending 8, 10 hours on one video. You need to have consistent strategy for your ideation process, your scripting process, your recording process, and your packaging process. Number 1, with ideas, you need to focus solely on ideas that are winning for your niche and for the algorithm. That's the most important thing. Nothing even matters with YouTube if your idea is not good. I have other videos where I show you how to actually create good ideas and how to actually come up with good ideas. So you can check that out. It's on my channel. So I'm not going to even go into too much depth with that. But ideas is the most important part of the video. If you can create an idea that genuinely is winning and like people actually care about it, dude, like, the rest of the video should follow. As in, the rest of the steps and of the system should follow. As in, the idea is good, so that means the rest should be as. Does that make sense? Let me see if I can rephrase it. The idea, if you focus solely on that, the rest of the steps should automatically turn out well. Hopefully that made sense. So you have the ideation. You make sure the video idea is just so perfect for the algorithm by brainstorming, focusing on your dream customer avatar, focusing on what your niche cares about. Oh wow, focusing on what your niche cares about and focusing on what your subscribers and audience cares about. You do this by just knowing their pains, by knowing their problems, and just figuring out what that type of person values in their life. So with scripting and actually like creating videos, you need to have a consistent strategy that you can repeat for video after video after video. Of course, sometimes you want to deviate and sometimes you want to change it up and try new things. You're always testing on YouTube, but you should have a repeatable process that allows you to create videos at scale while also creating videos fast. Fast, but effective. The video system and the video scripting process is just optimized and systemized so that you're able to push out videos, and not even just push out videos at quantity, but push out videos at quality as well. So to create a system, you just need to know the most important parts of a video and what a video comes down to. Of course, you have the intro and the hook, you have the story, you have the call to action or whatever value you're trying to give. And then you give a framework after you give that call to action / value. And you just repeat that throughout the video. Literally, you just repeat that throughout the video. For most of your videos, that's going to be the core of your content strategy. That's going to allow you and your audience to get the most out of the video. And that's a repeatable process that you can do for many and a multitude of videos. So packaging, you just need to make sure packaging, when discussing packaging a video, it's tailored to your audience, it's tailored to the theme of your channel, what you're trying to provide. It's really just dependent on your niche. Packaging can be discussed when you eventually, this is the goal, you want to outsource tasks that don't move the business forward. So editing is a task that does not move the business forward. You can outsource that to somebody who's probably a better editor than you. You just give him a framework to what you want and how you want the video to be packaged, as well as you do that with the thumbnail creator that you'll be outsourcing your thumbnail to, because that is not a moving task. It takes too long. And that thumbnail creator is probably better than you. So stick to what you're good at, which is content creation. So you send these people frameworks to how you want the video to be packaged and how you want the video to be presented. And it's custom to you. It's custom to what you are, to what you authentically like, and what you just genuinely see as cool and see what you see as enjoyable. And it's also tailored to what your audience cares about. So that's even the most important step. Like, it has to be tailored to what your audience cares about. But if you're following the system that I'm using, your audience is just like you. You are a synthesizer, which means you are just taking the information from what you genuinely are interested in, what has been applied to your life, what you've done in your life, what value you've done in your life, and you're just sharing that with the people behind you in your journey. So if you're following my system, your audience should be just like you. So they should like the same things as you. So if you like a certain packaging, they're going to like the packaging too. And the last thing is just the recording of the video. I mean, obviously that's just, you know how to record. You're a YouTuber. I'm gonna be honest. My future clients are going to be YouTubers who have X amount of subscribers, 40K, at least 40K. So you know how to record. I'm not going to touch on that. So if you just focus on the main task to actually move the business forward, you're going to see consistent growth, a consistent influx of subscribers and views and likes, etc., a consistent growth pattern in your audience. And it will just allow you to not waste so much time on stupid shit that doesn't even get you more growth, get you more success. A lot of YouTubers, I'll see them. I've seen like just by doing market research that people are spending 6, 7, 8 hours on one video and all these different things that don't even actually get them more views and more subscribers, and which is all they care about, which is good. Like obviously you want growth. I see all the time that they're not focusing on the things that actually make them more successful. And my channel and my mission is to wake these people up so they can optimize their audience and actually get some money. Like, come on, bro. Like, you're doing all these different tasks and you're not even making that much money. I'm going to get these YouTubers out there living situations where they're still working 9 to 5 while still trying to make YouTube their full-time job, relying on AdSense and sponsorships to make money when that's not consistent income. I'm going to show these YouTubers how to build a consistent content strategy so that they actually get consistent influx of subscribers, views, and so they can actually have consistent growth. And I'm going to show them how to monetize this influx of subscribers and influx of views and influx of audience growth. We're going to show you how to do this, and we're going to show you how to do this without having to work 8 hours a day. You can only work 3-4 hours a day, or we can even systemize it to where you only have to work 4, 5, 6 hours per week. But that's only for the elite people. So, thank you all for watching. Stay tuned to the channel. I have some links in the description soon if you guys want some help. More videos coming soon. I'm going to post a video tomorrow. And thank you guys for watching. Peace.